In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload MP3 files inside your courses. Remember, there are many different learning types out there. Some people learn better through listening, some others through watching videos, and some others through reading. So you want to make sure that you cover all the different learning types inside of your online courses. So let's say maybe you are a coach and you would like to offer a meditation MP3 to your students. Let me show you how you can upload this. So first, we're going to navigate to our course, click on memberships on the left, courses at the top, click on products, then select your course in question. Then right here, we just want to click add content top right corner, and we are going to add a lesson. Let's give it a title. Let's call it MP3 meditation. And here we can select a module we would like to put this lesson under. So let's select mindset. Let's create a lesson and let's scroll down. And right here, you can see the MP3 meditation lesson showing up. So let's upload the MP3 file. Click on the lesson. Then here you see click to upload. You can either click to upload or you can drag and drop the file. Please note that you can upload MP3, AAC or WAV files when it comes to audio files. So let's click to upload. Let's select our test audio MP3 and let's upload it. Beautiful. Here it is. On the right hand side, you can also upload a thumbnail, then select the thumbnail and upload it. And also, if you like, you can also add a PDF. Maybe you have a workbook that goes with the meditation or similar. Just click to upload as well and upload your PDF. Nice. Let's preview it. Click preview and ta-da, here we go. Here is your MP3 hosted within your online course. Now your students can simply click the play button and listen to your MP3. Please know that this is optimized for desktop mobile phones as well as for tablets, so they can access your MP3s without any problems from any device. Then right here, they can also adjust the volume as well as the playback speed. Do they want to go normal? Do they want to go slower or maybe even faster? Once you're happy with what you got, go back to your dashboard and don't forget to hit this drop down and then hit publish. And then at the bottom right, also click save and publish. So it will actually be published within your course. And this is how easy you can add an MP3 file, an audio file to your membership site inside of your courses, which your students can access from a tablet, from a mobile phone, as well as from a desktop. And if you want to learn how to create profitable online courses, I've got a PDF for you in the resource section above or below this video, which will teach you how to make 2 to 5K per week with an online course. Check it out and I will see you on the other side.